Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Life on Law and Lessons. Today I'd like to talk to you about the different types of evidence. As you know, when you go to a trial or when you try to prove your case as an attorney, you have to present evidence to either the judge or to the jury. Some evidence is called direct evidence. Direct evidence is I put you on the stand and you say you saw something happen. That is direct evidence. You are a direct eyewitness to an account. Or let's say there's a contract that you and another party signed, and I get a copy of that signed contract, and I put that into the record. That is direct evidence. But there's also something called circumstantial evidence. In other words, it's not direct. Maybe you didn't see it happen. Maybe you know there's a document, but it's indirect. You can make an assumption from the evidence, but it doesn't directly address the question. Here's the perfect example. You go to bed one evening and it's clear outside. It's a nice warm evening. The sun has gone down, the moon is shining, it's not raining, and the grass is clear of any ice or snow. You have a nice restful evening. You wake up in the morning and you open your shades and you look out and there's a white snow on the ground. Now, if you testify as to what happened, that is circumstantial evidence that it snowed the night before. In other words, you didn't directly watch it snow. You can't say it snowed because you were sleeping. However, you can infer by the fact that when you went to bed, there was no snow on the ground, and when you woke up, there was snow on the ground, that circumstantially it snowed while you were sleeping. That type of testimony is admissible in a court of law. So you've got direct evidence, if you'd seen it snowing. You've got circumstantial evidence, if you didn't see it, but the circumstances would lead one to that logical conclusion. That's the different type of evidence, and there are other types that we can talk about in the future, but I wanted to let you know the differences, because when cases are proved at trial, everybody doesn't see everything that happens. And a lot of evidence is circumstantial. It's gathered from the circumstances surrounding an accident or an event from which one can draw conclusions. That's it for today's lesson. And remember, so long as you have a thirst for learning, you'll never cease to grow.